Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about trigonometry eamcet related questions. Preparation 2023. eamcet preparation 2023. Some different models I am going to explain to your students here. The trigonometry. So let us have a discussion. Yeah. First, I'll write some questions based on that our discussions. The value of log tan 1 degrees plus log tan 2 degree plus log tan 3 degrees plus and so on log tan 89 degrees is equal to options 0, 1, 2 and 3. The value of sine square 5 degrees, sine square 10 degrees, sine square 15 degrees plus and so on sine square 90 degrees is equal to options here dear students 20, 45 by 2, 18, 19 by 2. Similarly, if cos comes, what we can do? The value of cos square 9 degrees, cos square 18 degrees, plus cos square 27 degrees, plus and so on, cos square 81 degrees equal to. So options are provided 9, 9 by 2, 18 and 2. So these are the questions. So how to do that? I will discuss this students. The value of log tan 1 degrees plus log tan 2. We know that log A plus log B plus log C can be written as log ABC. Similarly, this can be done as log of tan 1 degrees, tan 2 degrees, tan 3 degrees and so on tan 89 degrees. We know that, so link between these two. Like before 89 what comes here? Tan 88 is also there. In between tan 45 is also there now. Tan 1 into tan 89. Next tan 2 degrees into tan 88. These values are equal to 1. Sir, how sir it will be 1? We know that sum of these angles is equal to 90 degrees. Whenever sum of these two angles is 90 degrees, this value goes to be 1. So like this tan 3 into tan 87. Like this all the values equal to 1. So ultimately this bracket value reaches to 1. Log 1 value is what? 0. So the answer is 0 dear students. I hope you understand here. We'll move on to the another question. So to solve these type of questions, what we have to do is sine square 5 degrees, sine square 10 degrees, sine square 15 degrees, plus and so on sine square 90 degrees. By observing the angle here difference is what? 5 degrees. 5, 10, 15 and so on 90. Here, if you do that regular method, it will take time to do that. No? So for that, what we have to do is 1 by 2, you can write it. After that, for the last angle, you have to add the difference of the angles. Last angle is 90 plus difference angle is how much? 5 degrees divided by difference of the angle. How much it is different? 5. So 1 by 2, 95 by 5. 95. 19 5 is 95. So 19 by 2 will come, dear students. So this is the required answer. When sine comes, difference is 5 degrees here. 1 by 2, last angle plus difference by difference. When you come to the cos, dear students, understand that. Here 9, 18, 27 and so on 81. Here also you observe that 81 plus 9, 18 and before that 9 difference we are observing difference. Whenever the last angle is not perfect angle like 90, 45, 81 is there. So what we have to do is procedure 1 by 2 as it is like previous problem. The last angle divided by difference of the angle. Last angle is 81, difference angle is 9. So 1 by 2, difference angle is what? 9. So 9 by 2 is the answer. Here the difference, when cos comes 1 by 2, 81 degrees, last degree by difference of the degree. When sine comes, last degree plus difference of the angle by difference of the angle. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the another set of questions. So like this maximum, I will try my level best, dear students, to give maximum important questions from my side. Children kept somewhere else. So fine. So now, this is a good question. E power sine square theta plus sine power 4 theta plus sine power 6 theta plus and so on into log 3 to the base e satisfies the equation x square minus 28x plus 27 equal to 0, then cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta is equal to options root 3 plus 1 by 2, root 3 minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 5 by 2. So another question also I will give here. Two questions at least we will do that for the session. Cos squared 76 degrees, cos squared 16 degrees minus cos 76 into cos 16 degrees is equal to 4 by 3, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 3 by 2. So these are the options. Try to do, dear students. I will explain. So here, first we need to simplify this and satisfy this equation. E power, this is the sum of the infinite series in geometry. So sin square theta plus sin square theta whole square, sin square theta whole cube, like this it comes now, and so on, into log 3 to the base e. Dear students, you remember Sum to infinity in ZP, S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R, where A is the first term of the series, R is the common ratio of the series. A means what? Sin square theta by 1 minus R, common ratio. Sin power 4 theta by sin square theta. So sin square theta. That is equal to sin square theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. That is equal to tan square theta. So we got it. S infinity. So this bracket value we got it as tan square theta. So e power tan square theta into log 3 to the base e. Now what I am doing is I am going to simplify this e power. This is constant like log m log a means log a power m only, no? So we can write it as log 3 power tan square theta to the base e. From properties of logarithms, e power log f of x to the base e is equal to f of x. I hope you understand it, students. Whenever these bases are equal, not here, no, here. These bases are equal. So this e value, this e value. So e power log f of x to the base e. It is in this form. You know what is f of x in this? So it should be equal to. So this value is equal to 3 power tan square theta. It satisfies this quadratic equation. We need to find out the roots. X square minus 27x minus x plus 27. So finding the factors, x into x minus 27 minus 1 into x minus 27 equal to 0. So x minus 27 into x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 27, x is equal to 1. So what is x here? So satisfyingly this is also root only, no? So x possibilities. So first case possibility, if x is equal to 27, that also equal to, it is a root of the, it satisfies this equation means x only, no? So in place of x, 3 power tan square theta is equal to 27 can be written as 3 power 3. Base are equal, both should be equated. So tan square theta equal to 3. Tan theta equal to root 3. So theta equal to, for what angle it comes, tan theta when it will be root 3, 60 degrees. Okay? If we take another one, x is equal to 1, what happens? That also we will check it. X is equal to 1, that implies 3 power tan square theta is equal to 1 can be written as in terms of in powers of 3, 3 power 0. Tan square theta equal to 0 means tan theta 0, theta equal to 0 will come. Theta 0 comes means 1 by 0 plus 1. So 1 is not there in the options. So it is not our option. We will go to this. Theta equal to 60, substitute in this. So cos 60 by sin 60 plus cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 take common, cancel, 1 by root 3 plus 1 will come. So multiplying and dividing by root 3 minus 1, rationalizing factor. So root 3 minus 1 by 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 is there in the second option, students. I hope you understand this type of problems. So what I mean to say is, not only knowing the trigonometry concepts, but also where to apply, how to apply the trigonometry expansion. That is very important, dear students. Keep in mind, I will come back in 1 minute, not in 1 minute, half second, half minute. I'll see. Yeah. Till that time, I will. Shall I write this? I'll come to that. Yeah, another question I didn't explain, no? So now we'll take it. Another question. So tan A is equal to, here and one more question is there, I will explain that also. X sin B by 1 minus x cos B, and tan B equal to y sin A divided by 1 minus y cos A. Then the value of sin A by sin B. First option, x square by y square, x square by y, x by y, root x by y. So this is the question. Another one also just previously I wrote, no, that also I will discuss here. Next question is cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 degrees minus cos 76 into cos 16 degrees is equal to 4 by 3, 3 by 4, next 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. So these type of questions we may expect already in the last 3 years. This type of question I observed. Tan A in terms of sin and cos, you have tried here, students. Sin A by cos A is equal to x sin B by 1 minus x cos B. Cross multiply sin A into 1 sin A minus x into sin A cos B is equal to x into cos A sin B. Okay, this minus value I am taking this side, sin A equal to this value we can take this side and take comma x, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is what? Sin of A plus B. Therefore, sin A is equal to x into sin of A plus B. So this is the value of sin of A. Now come to this one. So sin B by cos B is equal to y sin A by 1 minus y cos A, cross multiply like previous one, sin B minus y sin B cos A is equal to y cos B sin A. This minus value we can take this side and make subject. Y take common. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin B is equal to y into, this is also sin of A plus B only now. After getting sin A sin B values, they are asking to substitute the values. Sin A value x into sin of A plus B by y into sin of A plus B. So anyway, this will be cancelled, x by y. It is there in the option, dear students. Sin B. So think about this question. So it is cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 degrees minus cos 76 cos 16. Here one standard result is there, dear students. Cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 degrees minus cos 76 into cos 16. It is in the form of cos square A plus cos square B minus cos A into cos B. This result is the standard result, dear students. Whenever cos in this form, cos square A plus cos square B minus cos A cos B is always equal to 3 by 4. When it is 3 by 4, A plus or minus B value is equal to 60 degrees. Now I am going to verify A equal to 76, B is equal to 16. If we do that, A minus B, is it equal to 60 degrees or not? Yes, 60 degrees. So difference of this angle is equal to 60. Either sum of the angles or difference of the angles is 60 degrees. Then the given problem answer is 3 by 4. It is there in the Second option, dear students. I hope you understand. I'll move on to the another set of questions. Yes, all are like previous BSET and MSET, different questions I'm discussing. Students. Just roll up the questions and come back to you. One of our students, Ranjit Reddy, asked about the straight lines. That also I'm going to make some plan for straight lines and pair of straight lines also. I have little time to explain. That's the reason. In the coming days, within 1 week, I'll put NDA yesterday's exam question paper with answers also. I will make it to you, students, for your convenience. So here, the next question: sin alpha plus cosecant alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus secant alpha whole square is equal to k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. Then k equal to options 1, 3, 5, 7. Especially my videos will help for the rural area village students like why? Because they don't have some materials to prepare. At least from my side, I'm covering some important type MSET level questions. It may help for them. So those who are interested to share them, you can ask them to say, and it will help for them. For me also, dear students. Next, another question here. If sin x plus cos x divided by cos cube x is equal to a tan cube x plus b tan square x plus c tan x plus d, then the value of a plus b plus c plus d equal to. So options are 4, 3, 2, 1. So how to do the step problems? Yeah. Those who are watching, please share to your friends and relatives or those who are interested. If you simplify this a plus b whole square here also a plus b whole square, it will take time now. And one more important here, sine and reciprocal term is there. Cos and reciprocal term is there. So and tan square alpha and cot square alpha is also reciprocal term. So whenever like this is formed, just this is a shortcut formula. Put alpha equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. So what happens here? Sin alpha, sin 45, 1 by root 2. Cosecant 45, root 2, whole square. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Secant 45, root 2, whole square, equal to k plus tan 45 whole square, 1. Cot 45 whole square, 1. So take LCM here, root 2 into root 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 by root 2 whole square plus 1 plus 2 by root 2 whole square equal to k plus 2. So 3 by root 2 whole square. So what it comes? 9 2. 9 by 2 equal to k plus 2. So 18 by 2. So 9 equal to k plus 2. That implies k equal to 9 minus 2. K is equal to 7. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. This is the easiest way. You put that alpha equal to 45 degrees. Then your answer will come like this. Otherwise, a plus b whole square expansion, after that simplification, it will take time. Now here also, the same application here. They are asking to find, some expression is given. They are asking to find a plus b plus c plus d. So here, I want to get only a, b, c, d values. So I want to remove tan term from here. So how to remove tan term from here? By taking, put x is equal to pi by 4, even here also. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Tan 45 is not 1, so 1 cube. So sin 45, 1 by root 2. plus cos 45 1 by root 2 by cos 45 whole cube 1 by root 2 whole cube means 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to a plus b plus c plus d tan cube tan pi by 4 whole power 3 like this it will be 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 what 2 by root 2 by 1 by 2 root 2 root 2 root 2 get cancelled denominator and denominator so 2 into 2 that is equal to 4 4 equal to a plus b plus c plus d so the answer is 4 it is there in the first option questions I hope you understand yeah you need to focus on these type of questions especially I'll run this and I'll come back to you with a different set of questions. If tan beta is equal to 2 sin alpha into sin gamma into cosecant alpha plus gamma, then cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma are in question AB, GP, HP and AZP arithmetic geometric progression. This is one question. So another question here I'm giving a simple question last that I will explain. Not last question. Tan 30 into tan 29 plus tan 31 into tan 30 plus tan 31 into tan 29 is equal to options 1, 2, 0, 5. So how to do these type of problems? Anyone? Here they are asking to find the relation between cos and beta and gamma. So tan wherever it is there, cosecant it is there in terms of sin and cos, you write it. This can be done as sin beta by cos beta. Okay. Is equal to 2 sin alpha into sin gamma by sin of alpha plus gamma. Cosecant alpha plus gamma is 1 by sin alpha. Cross multiply and expand sin of alpha plus gamma. Sin beta into key bracket sin alpha cos gamma plus cos alpha sin gamma is equal to 2 times of sin alpha into cos beta into sin gamma. Just cross multiply. Each and every side multiplying by sin beta. So write in the order also sin alpha, sin beta and cos gamma plus here cos alpha, sin beta, sin gamma is equal to 2 sin alpha cos beta cos sin gamma. I want to get all answers in terms of chord. So what I am going to do is dividing on both sides by sin alpha, sin beta into sin gamma. So each and every term sin alpha into sin beta into cos gamma by sin alpha into sin beta into sin gamma plus cos alpha sin beta sin gamma by sin alpha into sin beta into sin gamma is equal to 2 sin alpha cos beta sin gamma by sin alpha into sin beta into sin gamma. cos gamma by sin gamma, cot gamma, plus cot alpha is equal to 2 into cot beta. It is in the form of A plus C is equal to 2B. That implies A comma B comma C are in arithmetic progression only, no? So cot gamma plus cot alpha equal to 2 times of cot beta. It shows that cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma or in arithmetic progression or in AP. So the answer is first option, dear students. So this is the way you can. Now we'll move on to the another question. Tan 30 into tan 29, tan 31 into tan 30 and tan 31 into tan 29. It is in the form of tan A tan B plus tan B tan C. So tan B tan C is not there. A B like this means no. So it is B. 30 means A only, write it. 31 means C, you take it. Plus tan 31 means tan C. Tan 29 means tan B. So tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. This value A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees, then this value is equal to 1. First I will check whether it is 90 or not. 90 not means our answer is not equal to 1. If it is 90, answer is 1. So now I am checking A value 30 plus B value 29 plus C value 31. So it is 90 degrees only, no? 31 plus 29 60 plus 13 90. So whenever this value 90, this value goes to be 1. So first option is the right option. Your logic it is there, dear students. It is the standard result. Keep in mind, if A plus B plus C equal to 90, tan A plus tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is equal to 1. This is the way you can put it, dear students. I hope you understand. I'll move on to the another set of questions. It's a good question. I'll rub this. I'll move on to another set. If tan pi by 9 x tan 5 pi by 18 are in AB and tan pi by 9 y tan 7 pi by 18 are also in AP, then which of the following statement, then which of the following is true? So first option, x is equal to 2y. Second option, x square equal to y. Third option, y is equal to 2x. Fourth option, y square equal to 4x. So let us have a discussion. The question here is a good one, concept wise. First, what we have to do, dear students, in this pi by 9 and 5 pi by 18 and 7 pi 18. First we need to simplify that. Pi by 9, that means 180 degrees divided by 9, that is equal to 20 degrees. So next is 5 pi by 18, that can be written as 5 by 2 times of pi by 9, that is equal to 5 by 2 into 20. So 50 degrees. Next is 7 pi by 18, 7 by 2 into pi by 9. So 7 by 2 into 20 degrees. So 70 degrees. Now tan pi. So tan 20 degrees. Tan 20 x tan 50 or in AP. So twice of the middle is equal to 2x is equal to tan 20 plus tan 50. Okay, we got it now. Next, come to here. Tan 20 y tan 70 or in AP, then twice of the middle equal to sum of the extremities. See here tan 70 value is there. All I am converting in terms of 2x is equal to 2x is equal to sin 20 divided by cos 20 plus sin 50 divided by cos 50. So cos 20 into cos 50 sin 20 into cos 50 plus cos 20 into sin 50. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B. So sin of 20 plus 770 by cos 20 into cos 50. We know that sin 70 cos 20 get cancelled. Why? Because cos 20 can reduce cos of 90 minus 70. Cos of 90 minus 70 sin 70. Both will be cancelled. So 2x is equal to 1 by cos 50. So from this cos 50 is equal to 1 by 2x. Just put it in the box. This result we can use here. That 50. So 2y, similar method I am following. Sin 20 by cos 20 plus sin 70 by cos 70. Like you can take that LCM and all. Cos 20 into cos 70. So sin 20 into cos 70 plus cos 20 into sin 70. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B. Sin of 90 by cos 20 into cos 70. Sin 90 value is 1 only now. So 2y by 1 by cos 20 cos 70. So here cos 20 cos 70 can be written as sin 20. Can I write like this? So y is equal to 1 by 2 sin 20 cos 20. That too I am taking here. 2 sin cos is sin 2a. Y is equal to 1 by sin 40. Sin 40 cos 50. Both are same. Y is equal to 1 by cos 50. Interchange the cos 50 is equal to 1 by y. Here cos 50, here cos 50. You can equate both. 1 by 2x is equal to 1 by y. Y is equal to 2x. So we got a relation in between y and x. So y is equal to 2x. It is there in the third option, dear students. This is the way you can do that. It will be easy only, but we need to know little concepts, dear students. Where to apply, how to apply, we can. Yeah. I'll rub this and I'll move on to another set of questions. tan pi by 4 plus theta plus tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 3. Then tan square pi by 4 plus theta plus tan square pi by 4 minus theta equal to 6, 4, 7, 5. This is one question. Another question. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1 and sin alpha minus beta equal to 1 by 2. Then the value of tan alpha plus 2 beta into tan 2 alpha plus beta equal to 1, 2, root 2, root 3 minus 1. First we'll finish the students. After that I will explain another one. Please like and share these students. Why? Because it will reach to more students. Here tan pi by 4 plus theta. Second one is tan pi by 4 minus theta equal to 3. Then they are asking squares of sum of these two. So here what I am doing is squaring on both sides I am doing it. So what it comes, tan square pi by 4 plus theta plus tan square pi by 4 minus theta plus 2 times of tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 9 squared. Here only turning step. So this one we can make subject tan square pi by 4 plus theta plus tan square pi by 4 minus theta is equal to this. We can take this at 9 minus 2 times of tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta. This value is equal to 1 because tan A into tan B is equal to 1 if A plus B is equal to 90. I already said this point in difference. Pi by 4 plus theta plus pi by 4 minus theta. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2, both cancel theta values. So whenever A plus B values are pi by 2, tan A tan B value goes to be 1, no? So 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. 7 is there in the option here. I hope you understand, dear students. We move on to here. Sin of alpha plus beta equal to 1, sin of alpha minus beta equal to 1 by 2. Sin, when it will be equal to 1 by 1, sin alpha plus beta is equal to sin 90. Sin alpha minus beta is equal to sin 30. So alpha plus beta is equal to 90. Alpha minus beta equal to 30. So adding these two, alpha plus beta is equal to 90. Alpha minus beta equal to 30. So 2 alpha equal to 120, alpha equal to 60. So whenever alpha is 60, beta is equal to, in this substitute, alpha value 60 substitute means so you will get beta is 30. So now come to here, tan alpha plus 2 beta into tan 2 alpha plus beta. So tan alpha is 60, 2 beta, 2 into 30, 60, 60 plus 60, 120. Tan 2 alpha, 2 into 60, 120 plus 30, 150. So tan of 90 plus 30, tan of 180 minus 30. Tan 90 plus theta minus cot theta. So minus cot 30. Tan of 180 minus theta minus tan 30. Minus into minus plus. Cot tan reciprocals 1. So the answer is 1. Okay, dear students. Tan theta in terms of cot, if you write 1 by cot theta, that answer is equal to 1. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to the another set of questions. I'll run this. In the meanwhile, I'm giving some 2-3 minutes video of a formula of definite integration. In the coming days, differentiation also I will provide dear students for the convenience. The next question. If tan theta minus cot theta is equal to A and sin theta plus cos theta is equal to B, then B square minus 1 whole square into A square plus 4 is equal to options 3, 4, 2, 1. This is the question. So after that, one more question also I will explain. Let it be. So place is sufficient here. Tan beta is equal to cos theta into tan alpha. Then tan square theta by 2 is equal to, so options here, so big options are there. Sin alpha plus beta divided by sin alpha minus beta, cos alpha minus beta by cos alpha plus beta, sin alpha minus beta by sin alpha plus beta, cos alpha plus beta by cos alpha minus beta. So we'll conclude that by this. So the first one we will do, dear students. Here a square b square is anywhere required. We need to squaring on both sides. So if you do that squaring, tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 cot theta tan theta is equal to a square. Anyway, tan theta cot theta value they are reciprocals, so the value is 1, minus 2 we can take this side, otherwise keep it like this. Tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 is equal to a square. That minus 2 also we can take here. Tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to a square plus 2. But I want a square plus 4. So adding 2 on both sides. Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 is equal to a square plus 4. 2 plus 2. So here what I am writing is tan square theta plus 1. Here 2 is there, no, 1 plus 1 I am writing. Cot square theta plus 1 is equal to a square plus 4. Tan square theta plus 1 is what? Secant square theta plus cot square theta plus 1 cosecant square theta is equal to a square plus 4. We got one of the results. Now come to here. Squaring on both sides means sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to b square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 only, no? So 1 we can take this side. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to b square. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to b square minus 1. But b square minus 1 whole square is there. Again squaring on both sides. 4 sin square theta into cos square theta is equal to b square minus 1 whole square. After that, come to the question. This value is equal to B square minus 1 whole square is what? 4 sin square theta cos square theta only, no? What is a square plus 4? This value. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. So 4 sin square theta cos square theta. This can be done as cos square theta reciprocal, sin square theta reciprocal. So actual multiplication we are doing. Cos square theta get cancelled. 4 times of sin square theta will come there. Here sin square theta will be cancelled, means cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 4 times of 1, that is equal to 4. So 4 is there in the second option, dear students. I hope you understand. This is the way you can do. So these are the questions. Now come to here. If tan beta equal to cos theta into tan alpha, then tan square theta by 2 equal to. So here we need to learn the formula of tan square theta by 2. From this cos theta makes subject. So tan beta divided by tan alpha is equal to cos theta, dear students. From here. So tan square theta by 2 means we have formula 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. In place of cos theta, this we can replace now. That is equal to 1 minus tan beta by tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan beta by tan alpha. After that, if you simplify, tan alpha minus tan beta divided by tan alpha plus tan beta. Sin, tan in terms of sin and cos, you can convert. So what it comes? Sin alpha by cos alpha minus sin beta by cos beta whole divided by sin alpha by cos alpha plus sin beta by cos beta. To take LCM and simplify, sin alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta divided by, anyway cos alpha cos beta LCM we can cancel it, sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B, sin of alpha minus beta by sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B, sin of alpha plus beta. Sin of alpha plus B, alpha minus beta is there in the numerator, sin of alpha plus beta is there in the denominator. So C option is the right option, dear students. I hope everyone understand that. If you want to proceed one more question, we will do that. One more question, I will make it. This is the last question in this session. I am going to explain. It's a good question conceptually. I hope you are able to understand. If you really like this video, please share to the needy one. And if you like this video, it will reach to more students, dear students. More people it will reach. So that is the reason my sincere request to all, please do share to the needy people. After that, anyway, I will share in the social media like Facebook and all. In the Facebook page also there, funny maths classes like. If you want, we can share it. 2 tan pi by 10 plus 3 secant pi by 10 minus 4 cos pi by 10 is equal to, options are there, 0, root 5, root 3 plus 2, 1 plus root 2. These are the options, dear students. So how to do, how to proceed to solve this type of problems? First, we need to simplify the value of pi by 10. So what is pi by 10? Pi by 10 is equal to 180 degrees divided by 10. So it will be 18 degrees. So write it wherever pi by 10 is there, 18 degrees. 2 tan 18 degrees plus 3 secant 18 degrees minus 4 cos 18 degrees. So tan in terms of sine and cos, secant also in terms of cos. So 2 sine 18 degrees divided by cos 18 degrees plus 3 by cos 18 degrees minus 4 cos 18 degrees. So cos 18 degrees is the LCM. Cos 18 degrees is the LCM. So 2 sine 18 plus 3 minus 4 cos square 18 degrees. From here on returning step, dear students. After that, is there any possibility to 2 sine 18 degrees, 8 sine 18 we know that. Sine 18 value, I will write it here. We can utilize in the later step. Root 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 3 minus here 4 cos square theta can be written as 2 times of 2 cos square 18. In the earlier classes we learned that formulas 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Just I am reminding these formulae you can. So divided by cos 18 which is equal to 2 sine 18 degrees plus 3 minus 2 times of, in place of 2 cos square 18. Here theta is there, means here double now. So 1 plus cos 36 degrees divided by cos 18 degrees. Now simplification, 2 sine 18 degrees plus 3 minus 2 times of 1, 2 minus 2 times of cos 36 divided by cos 18. So which is equal to 2 into sine 18 degrees. 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 2 into cos 36 sine 54. Cos 36 is equal to sine 54 degrees, dear students, by cos 18 degrees. So sine 54 degrees and cos 36 both are equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4, that value. So in the numerator 2 times of root 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 2 times of root 5 plus 1 by 4 divided by cos 18. Here 2 ones to 2's, here 2 ones to 2's. So in the numerator root 5 minus root 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus root 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 by cos 18 degrees minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 all cancel only now. So 0 by cos 18, 0 by anything is 0. So our answer is 0. Dear students, I hope you understand. This is the way you can simplify each and every step. So I want to tell that more number of videos are there in anyway weekly twice or thrice, if my based on my possibility I will make the videos. This is the trigonometry, so there is a part 1. Previously also I made 10 to 12 videos in eamcet JMN's videos. Once you go to playlist, dear students, it will be there. And one more important thing is, here is the trigonometry preparation 2023, I think third or fourth video. In the coming days also one more or 2 more videos I will provide for your convenience. You can, and previous videos compulsory you can watch, and different depth type of questions also I have given. You can, dear students. Any doubts are there, please write to comment box. I will help you in this. Thank you all. Signing off. Maths with Panindra. Jai Hind. Please do like this video. It will reach to most friends and relatives, more students also, more persons. Thank you all. Jai Hind.